Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this name. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more famous French painters' names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. He was an influential French painter and lithographer, best known for his art, his painting known as the Raft of the Medusa. So how do you go about pronouncing his name? In French, in France, it is said as Théodore Géricault. Théodore Géricault, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Théodore Géricault. Théodore Géricault, from French, Théodore Géricault. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more famous French painters' names. Some other names as well, including Van Gogh, and that's not the way you should say it. But anyhow, many more interesting videos here. I'll leave you to it. Merci. Au revoir.